A Life in Polka Dots. Introducing Yayoi Kusama, a visionary artist whose work has captivated the world. Yayoi Kusama is a Japanese artist whose influence extends far beyond her homeland. She is known for her unique and captivating art that defies conventional boundaries. Kusama's work is instantly recognizable, often featuring her signature polka dots. It features bold colors, repetitive patterns, and immersive installations that draw viewers into her world. Born in 1929, Kusama's artistic journey began in her childhood, influenced by her early experiences and surroundings. She experienced hallucinations and visions that profoundly shaped her artistic vision. These experiences would later become central themes in her art, manifesting in her distinctive style. Kusama's art often explores themes of self-obliteration and infinity, pushing the boundaries of perception. She uses her art to cope with her mental health struggles, turning her pain into powerful visual narratives. Her work invites viewers to confront their own perceptions of reality, challenging them to see the world through her eyes. Kusama's art is deeply personal, reflecting her inner world and emotional landscape. Yet it resonates with people from all walks of life, transcending cultural and geographical boundaries. Kusama's career spans over 7 decades, during which she has continually evolved and reinvented her art. She is one of the most important contemporary artists today, with her work celebrated globally. Her work has been exhibited in museums and galleries worldwide, earning her international acclaim. Kusama's art continues to inspire and challenge audiences, leaving a lasting impact on all who experience it. Her story is one of perseverance, creativity, and the power of art to transcend boundaries, offering hope and inspiration. This essay will delve into the life and work of Yayoi Kusama, exploring the profound impact she has had on the art world. From Tokyo to New York, the journey was long and arduous. Kusama's ascent in the art world was nothing short of remarkable. Kusama's journey to artistic recognition was not easy. She faced numerous obstacles and hardships along the way. She faced prejudice as a woman and as an Asian artist, which made her path even more challenging. She moved from Japan to the United States in the late 1950s, seeking new opportunities and a fresh start. The New York art scene was vibrant and competitive, filled with both promise and fierce rivalry. Kusama's unique style stood out among her peers, capturing the attention of many. She began creating her infinity net paintings, which would become iconic in the art world. These paintings featured repetitive patterns of dots and nets, a signature of her meticulous and obsessive approach. They captivated the art world, drawing both admiration and intrigue. Critics and fellow artists praised her innovative approach to painting, recognizing her as a true visionary. The infinity net paintings became her signature style, a testament to her unique vision and creativity. Kusama's work was included in important exhibitions, solidifying her place in the art world. She gained recognition for her avant-garde performances and installations, which were both daring and innovative. These events often explored themes of sexuality and the body, challenging conventional norms. Kusama's work was provocative and groundbreaking, pushing the boundaries of what art could be. She challenged societal norms and pushed the boundaries of art, making a lasting impact on the industry. Her rise to fame in the 1960s solidified her status as a leading figure in the avant-garde movement, a true pioneer. Despite facing challenges, Kusama's talent and determination propelled her forward, overcoming every obstacle in her path. She became an influential figure in the male-dominated art world, inspiring countless artists and leaving an indelible mark on contemporary art. Stepping into infinity, Kusama's immersive installations. Yayoi Kusama is perhaps best known for her immersive installations, which have captivated audiences around the globe. These installations invite viewers to step inside her unique artistic vision, offering an experience that is both personal and universal. One of her most famous works is the Infinity Mirror Room series, a collection that has garnered international acclaim. These installations use mirrors and lights to create the illusion of infinite space, making viewers feel as though they are floating in a boundless universe. The Infinity Mirror Rooms are incredibly popular, drawing large crowds wherever they are exhibited. People wait in line for hours to experience them, eager to be part of this extraordinary artistic journey. Viewers are enveloped in a world of color, light, and repetition, which creates a surreal and almost dreamlike atmosphere. The experience is both mesmerizing and disorienting, challenging the viewer's perception of space and time. Another notable installation is the Obliteration Room, a project that transforms over time. This interactive work invites viewers to participate in the creative process, making them co-creators of the art. The room is initially completely white, a blank canvas waiting to be transformed. Visitors are given colorful dot stickers, which they can place anywhere in the room. They are encouraged to apply the stickers to any surface in the room, adding their own touch to the evolving artwork. Over time, the white room becomes obliterated by colorful dots, symbolizing the collective contribution of all participants. Kusama's installations are more than just visual spectacles. They are immersive experiences that engage the senses and challenge perceptions. They are interactive experiences that engage the senses and challenge perceptions, making each visit a unique encounter. By immersing viewers in her art, Kusama invites them to contemplate themes of infinity, self-obliteration, and the nature of reality, encouraging deep reflection. These installations have become iconic representations of her artistic vision, captivating audiences worldwide and solidifying her legacy as a groundbreaking contemporary artist. Please like and comment below on your thoughts about Kusama artwork. Thank you for watching.